Day in and day out, your lab delivers critical results that your community and clinicians rely on. As a trusted partner, we are here to help your team deliver results you can trust.
At QuidelOrtho, we understand that over 90% of a laboratory's workload is slides, which is why we focus so much on the quality of our slide products.
Our ingenious dry slide design lies at the heart of our Vitros systems. Each microslide is in effect a miniaturized chemistry lab. Hair-thin layers of liquid reagents are coated and dried to create separate reaction domains that optimize each process step for exceptional performance. With dry slide, only a tiny volume of patient sample is required, reducing redraws and simplifying patient blood management.
The patient is the goal. We want to make sure that they get the right test result and we deliver that quality product to meet that demand. I'm absolutely proud to work for QuidelOrtho.
It's a pride you can see at our Rochester, New York manufacturing facility. Our state-of-the-art factory encompasses 500,000 square feet and operates 24/7. Our manufacturing process starts with the inspection of incoming raw materials. We make over 500 different solutions, using over 350 unique raw materials. Each solution is formulated using exacting methods with strict controls. The solution is tested at multiple stages in the production process as it is completed and moved into the coating rooms. Here, a proprietary process is used to uniformly coat the formulations onto a polymer film roll. Once the coating process is completed, the film rolls are slit into thin rolls. Our high-speed slide assembly machines can produce a massive 950 slides per minute. The verified slides are stacked into plastic cartridges and sent to the release laboratory for testing.
This year, we're going to be producing over 3 billion slides, and it's growing. So there is multiple checks to make sure that we are trying to make the perfect slide. That is our goal because, again, these slides go into the hospitals and they're determining what these doctors are going to prescribe for these patients. So we have to 100% get this right. So yes, that is our goal, is to make the perfect slide.
We're not just formulating a batch. We're not just filling out documentation. We're not just running the production line. Everything that we're doing culminates in a test that can properly help diagnose somebody and really lead them to proper and effective care.
I want to have a positive impact on the world, and I'm a chemistry person. This is where I can do that.
All of us together, we're QuidelOrtho.